If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Capital One account, follow these straightforward steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Capital One website or open a mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security Settings option, which is usually found under Account Preferences or Privacy Settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, search for the two-factor authentication option. This may be labeled as two-step verification or similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to turn off or disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to confirm your decision, so follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, ensure you save any changes made to your account settings. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Capital One account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.